Well, very early on I was a rather well-known German expressionist painter called Oskar Kokoschka offered to teach me, and that was a wonderful thing to happen, especially I think to a young person brought up in the British Isles, to be exposed to a German expressionist and all the fury and excitement of their work.
And you had very successful exhibitions then as a young artist in London?
Yes, which I don't recommend to anybody, because if you start having a one-man show in Bond Street when you're 17, the only way after that is down.
Yes. Was that a negative aspect, do you think, then, of your early days as an artist?
I didn't regard it as that at the time. No, you know, one can't really be picky about somebody giving you an exhibition.
Obviously, you live on this one on Anglesey, and you have strong links, Welsh links, yes, especially to this area. How did you come back?
Glynyweddw was where the family originally came from, and my grandfather's cousin was Hay the Wyn. And my grandfather and his father moved to Liverpool to turn boats into troop carriers for the Boer War.
Right.
Then he stayed in Liverpool and became a builder, sent money back to the folks in Dinas-Marthy and Llanwrthlyn and Llynwllyn and all those places. And then he built a lot of Prestatyn around the First World War.
Right.
And then I ended up living there.
Now, you've got a few portraits in this exhibition and portraits of Cyffin Williams.
Yes, think about it. Cyffin was, he said to my partner, I'll sit for her anytime she likes. And was always had lots to talk about, yes, but being a painter, he also knew how to sit for somebody, you know.
Now, you still paint every day? Hmm? Do you still paint every day?
No, not quite every day now. I'm incredibly ancient, and then you run out of, you don't have so much energy, but oh.
But you've done fantastically well to put this exhibition together.
It's quite exhausting doing it, really, yes.
But you've enjoyed it?
Yes, very much. And this is a very beautiful venue. It's a wonderful space here. And everybody has been extraordinarily kind.